Today I'm going to be reviewing the Pore cleaning instrument. If I take it out of the package, you can see it is a beautiful pearl and rose gold colour with a pink nozzle on the end. To switch the device on, you simply hold the on button down for 2 seconds and then a light will appear. There are 3 different lights telling you the speed of the device. The first one is the slowest, and if you press it again it is slightly faster, and if you press it a 3rd time it is the fastest. To switch it off, you just hold it down for 2 seconds again. The device also comes with a handy little mirror like that, which also doubles as a little stand for your device so it doesn't roll off the table. As you can see, it also comes with 3 other nozzles. There's one circular one, an oval shaped one, and a triangular shaped one. These are perfect for getting into different areas of the face. For example, the triangular one is perfect for getting in between the crevices of your nose. Then if I take this off, you can see that it comes with a charger to charge your device. You simply plug it into the bottom and it will charge like that. Then it also comes with 5 different little sponges to replace the sponge that is in here if it gets dirty. You just take the nozzle off and switch it out. Then you just screw it back on like that. It also comes with 4 different blackhead removing devices. If I can open it, and a little cleaner for the device. Here are the different ones. There is a hook shaped one with a triangle on the end, a pointed one with a circular wire on the end, another pointed one with a circular wire on the end, perfect for pulling the blackhead out, and then this one with a circle on the end to push the blackhead out, and another circular wire on the end. It also comes with some instructions like this, which are very useful and handy, so you know what you are doing, and some other instructions in there. I will now show you how to use the device. I'm now going to show you how it works. I'm starting off by taking a hot wet flannel and placing it on my nose for about 5 minutes. Now that I've left it on my nose for about 5 minutes, I am ready to use the device. The reason why I leave it on for 5 minutes is because it does a great job of opening up my pores, so it is easier for the device to remove any blackheads. I start off by taking it, and I like to use it on the lowest level as I find that is all I need for it to remove any blackheads. I then take the device and run it along my skin for no longer than 3 seconds on any area, as I do not want it to leave my skin red. Right. Then once I've done that, I can take one of the blackhead removing devices to remove any blackheads that is not yet picked up. I love this device as it does not leave my skin feeling irritated or red as many others may do. It also does an amazing job of picking up any blackheads or dirt from my skin. I would definitely recommend this product for anyone looking for a pore cleaning instrument or just wanting to try it out, as you will see amazing results and it works extremely well. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.